everyone coming here. And especially today, because today the topic is about the floating event.
Mas maganda kung ganito yung gagawin natin. Pagtanggal nyo, hindi na babalik.
Let's thank for everyone's coming today. Thank you.